Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change aspect ratio of photos and videos taken through camera of our phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to camera in your phone and keep it in photo mode. By default, it is set to 3:4. Okay, 3:4 means 3 width and 4 height. Okay, if you tap on 3:4, you can change it to other option 9:16. That means 9 horizontal and 16 vertical. Okay, also you have other option 1:1. That means square. All sides are equal. That is horizontal 1 and vertical 1. Okay, horizontal and vertical will be same. That is called square. Okay, this is called square photo. Okay, square photo will be useful for using it in the Instagram. And I again go to the same camera and click on aspect ratio here and click on full means full horizontal length and vertical length will be used as per your phone. Okay, phone length is used. Okay, phone length, that is phone horizontal length, phone vertical length, full will be used. Okay, this is called full. Okay, I keep it in 9:16. This will be useful for taking a photo for YouTube and other standard applications. Okay, and for changing aspect ratio for video, first keep the camera mode in video and then go to aspect ratio. Here by default it is set to 9:16. Okay, this is for taking YouTube shots and other shots. Okay, suppose if you are taking in horizontal position, it will be changed to 16:9. Okay, that is 16 horizontal and 9 vertical. Okay, and if you click here, you will see other options 1:1 square video. Okay, so if you use a square video, that can be uploaded on Instagram and other supported apps. Okay, this will be very useful. Okay, square video. Then full means full screen width and height will be used. Okay, so what width your phone has, that full width will be used for video as well. Okay, so in this way you can easily change desired aspect ratio for your photos and videos taking through camera of a phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.